I'm having some technical difficulties here. Give me a minute. Okay, welcome to Advantage Day Trading. I couldn't get my computer to load up over here, but it's finally working. So today's the 27th of November. It's the day before Thanksgiving. I've been watching the market this morning for, about an hour, and I've noticed a growing theme here that kind of worries me a little bit. It's kind of typical, I think, for holiday trading. And that is that a lot of the stocks that have been popping up in the scans this morning, well, you'll see they'll start to break out and then they jackknife down. You can see here this one had a big jackknife. It started to break and then failed. I had a couple of good trades on it, but I haven't been holding because I'm just not feeling like I trust it. I bought this one as it broke below this level back here. This is VCIG. VCIG has news on it. I don't know if I read the news. Let's see. Company announced it received a conditional letter of award valued at approximately 24 million. So they received some money. So maybe that's good news. But it's very, very choppy. I bought this flush down in here and sold real quick. And then it started showing signs of wanting to break out. You can see that on the 5-minute time frame. And I was just getting in it and then like getting right back out because it was just taking forever. It wasn't going as quickly as I thought it should. So there's a lot of give and take in here. And I finally decided to stop trading it right here. It just was too risky. It felt too risky for me. I felt like it needed to pull back to 258. And it did. Of course, it shot right through it, came down to this support here. So this thing is range bound right now. Definitely range bound. But let's go ahead. We'll mark out some daily levels. Whoa, look at all those lines. Just in case. So I'll mark the pre-market high. And that's up at 309. And then if we want to look at any daily levels, we'd be looking up here at 669. So if it can go that high, that's a 100% move. Right now it's up 55%. So that's a good starting point. Got a little gap fill down in here. I mean, I could put a line in this gap fill area. I don't know how significant that would be. But first, we got to get up there. Got to get over that pre-market high. So I have this one over here on my watch list to keep an eye on. I've already traded it. So I'm up a little bit this morning with my starting credit of $5. I'm up a whole 61 cents. My goal is to turn $5 into something. $20 is preferable. That is my daily goal. But I've got 4 chances to turn $5 into something. And if this $5, if I lose it and it drops to 0, I'll go to the next $5. And so having 4 chances is better than 1, I think. Okay, so taking a look at the gap scan. Leading gapper. Oh, I didn't even see this one. Look at this. So this one's actually looking pretty good. I wish I had seen this a little earlier. UMAC started breaking out right at 5:30. I did actually see this one earlier because I traded it. Bought a little pullback here, but it wasn't holding up. Tried again down here. I think this was off the 15-second chart. This is what I was looking at. Why I bought it here. No, is that $7 level? I might have gotten that. Oh, yeah, I got that from the hourly time frame. High of yesterday. Anyways, so making some nice moves. Let's mark out daily levels. I think on this one, that is all-time highs, so there's nothing to mark out. So this one is Blue Sky Breakout. That's nice. I'll go ahead and load that one up. Over here. I'm kind of wondering, UMAC. Kind of wondering if this one's gonna go, you know? We can watch it here for a second. We got the pre-market high is up at $11. I don't know, consolidation below 11, and it's pretty extended on the 5-minute. I don't know. I don't think I want to touch it right now. I'm going to go ahead and look at the other stocks that we have. So we got one good one, extended, but may need consolidation. Don't know if it'll do anything at the open. It might just pull back, but does it have news? It's a Unusual Machines shares are trading. Unusual Machines shares. That's a manufacturing sector, computer and electric. I've never heard of it. Unusual Machines. What an unusual name. Anyways, announced that Donald Trump Jr. has joined its advisory board. So whatever, it's a Trump stock or something like that. Trump triggered stock. But I'm going to watch it because it's got volume, and it's the nicest looking one I've seen this morning. So that is, let me freeze this so these don't move around. And what time is it? We got less than 10 minutes to go, so I'll hurry along. So CYCN. This one made some nice moves early on and has since just sold off. So I don't know. I don't think there's much here. There's no news on it. It's got a lot of volume, nice float, nice price, but no catalyst. Trading below the VWAP. I mean, it hasn't, we're looking for an hourly higher low. So I mean, it's an uptrend, but I may put it up on the watch list just because it's up there as one of our leading gappers. So let's see here. So pre-market high is 270. It's way up here, right at that 200 moving average. So that's acting as resistance. We've got $3 on the daily, 374, 413. So we'll start with that. And that is CYCN. So I'll go ahead and load that one up. I'm going to look here real quick on the cheaper stocks. We have IDAI. It's actually not looking so bad. I don't think it has news on it. But I do kind of like the chart. I don't like that it's cheaper, but we might come back to that. Let's see what else we have here. TRNR. Yeah, this one's got news, I think. Successfully concludes hearings panel. It's arts and entertainment. It's sold off. I don't really like it. IFBD sold off, and QMCO from yesterday. Let's clear these drawings. It's holding up. It's, it's got a long ways to go to overcome yesterday's high. It's a higher price stock. No news today. It's just a follow-up from yesterday's. So sometimes, I don't know. I don't know on that one. I might skip it just because it's higher priced. Let's see here. IMCC is a no. KXIN, don't like that. VSTE. Let's go back to VSTE. What did it do? But see, it's really light on the volume. Yeah, I'll leave that one alone. MDAI. So further down here, I'm not really liking any of these. UMAC, HIMS, RGTIs. So yeah, I think I traded RGTI. I did. Yeah, I traded that this morning as it was coming down here. There's another one of those is like, I don't know. I'm not sure what the float is on it, but it's thickly traded. So I'm probably going to leave that one alone too. So it's down to QMCO or ADAI, and I think I'm going to go with ADAI, even though it's a cheaper stock. Sometimes they're harder to trade. And then that's it. So we got less than 5 minutes to go. And we'll see what will happen here. Okay. So I have BCIG, UMAC, CYCN, IDAI. And IDAI, it's really small on the candle ranges. Tiny candle ranges. Have to buy a lot of shares to make this one profitable for me. And CYCN is really small candle ranges as well. So UMAC consolidating, looks like 5-minute consolidation about to get underway here. As we see if it holds 982. It broke it a little bit. There it goes. I went ahead and bought this attempt at a breakout here. I'll just sell it real quick. I'm not going to hold that into the open. That's a nice quick little profit, quick little hit. Which reminds me, I've got to set all these back to day. Okay. Alright, and I have this set where it updates, so it actually shows my trades as I take them, which is nice. Puts the arrows in there so I can review as I go. All right, this one here, we have support. What time is it? It's got a 1.5 minutes support there. So we're trading in a range. Which way will it go? Might be worth buying it off of this bottom. Maybe. And UMAC at all-time highs. So I think UMAC to me is the obvious one, is as long as we're not due for consolidation on it. You look at that 15-minute time frame and a smaller candle here, this could end up pulling back to, that EMA has got some catching up to do. So yeah, we'll see on that. Right now holding on the 5-minute, but if we see further consolidation, I'm going to be looking down here in this area for a possible entry. And this one over here, 30 seconds to go. Not expecting much from this one. And this one's consolidating on the 15-minute time frame. Nice area down here that it's coming down to. Pretty market high up there. All right, 5 seconds. It's a little slow to fill. Just taking the profit quick to start the day. Okay, that was a little faster there. I'll buy that. See if it holds up. Or is it gonna flush? Didn't like that so much. Coming off that support though, it might not have been a bad idea to hold that. Let's see, no. Well, she is holding up. Try it a second time here. It's up above the VWAP. Okay, so I'm back to my original $5. Ah. Oh, it looks like UMAC halted going down. So there's one of those jackknives that we talked about. This one has been doing that. I just don't want to hold it for very long. I'm really giving and taking all morning, you know. Let me see here. I kind of like this one over here. We'll take a shot at it. We'll see what happens. I like this level right down here. So this area here is kind of a breakout spot. It didn't hold on this one, so I'm not sure if it's going to hold on this one, but we'll give it a shot here. This one's a little more significant because it's off of the larger time frame here. I don't mind adding to it on that breakthrough, but if it drops any further, I'm going to get out. So I'll just do this, put my stops at the low of day. That's probably gonna... Yeah. So what I did was I spent my credit, so now I got to move on to my credit too. So I blew my first chance. So now I've got a second chance here. I just don't like it. Oh, let's see. This one worries me a little. I'll buy the pullback. I'll buy the dip. It's a double top. It's a double top up here at 280. Looking for the breakthrough 285. Being careful of jackknives here. I'll just go ahead and take the profit on it. Looking for the flush. Okay, I'll buy the flush. Tricky day. Now, had I held over here, this would have been a little profitable. I think it's probably got a good chance of going. So on halt resumption on UMAC, I kind of wonder where it's going to resume at. Larger time frames, let's see. I'm going to clear these out of here. So my thing is, I'm looking at this on a larger time frame, 828. It's kind of a pocket there. So let's look at the smaller time frame and see. Yeah, you can see there was definitely tried several times to get above that, finally got above it, and then held it. So maybe if it resumes down in that area, it might be worth a shot. That one got halted at 632, so resumption would be at 637, right about in about 10 seconds. Let's watch it and see what it does. That's 828. I doubt it's going to open way down there. Yeah, I'm not sure I want to play that. Oops, I meant to sell and instead I bought. Ay, ay, ay. This is not a good trade. So the low of that candle is about right around 270. I'm just going to put a stop loss down there and we'll see what this guy does. See if it breaks through the high. So this one bounced off of this area here. So it definitely respected that zone. Give her another go. Gonna have a 5-minute candle that's gonna close in a little bit. Okay, I'm all out of everything. Tricky day. VCIG. Oh, that's the one I'm watching. Oh, wow. That was a big move. Ooh, new 1 minute candle here. It's a good size pullback. I don't know. Come on, go, baby, go. Wish I would have taken this trade over here when it dropped down. Man, I got filled too high on that. I don't like it. Is it just gonna go here? I don't know. I shouldn't have done that. See, jumping in too high, I think. It worries me. The way this thing flushes down. Let's see what it does here, though. I'll give it a chance. I gave it a chance. It wasn't a very long one. I'm gonna wait for the flush down. You know it's coming. Oh, was that it? No, come on, give me more than that. Got a daily resistance, a daily resistance up at 343. Plenty of time left on that 5-minute candle. That's not really the flush I wanted. That's the one I wanted. I was a little early on that first one. So it came down to the EMA. It's the 9 moving average. There is a level down here. $285 though, you know, $285, that was that resistance. We're back testing it. This one just got above $10. Shouldn't be in 2 of these at once. Yeah. See if this is a bear flag here on the 15-second. My reason for getting in this is the back test of this area. Okay. Try one more time there. See, it's a new 5-minute candle. I don't know. Riot. So I wonder if Bitcoin's moving up today. I saw Bitcoin hit 100,000. My God. Well, it came close, anyways. Oops, a little late. Okay. Oh, I hit my, I'm on to credit 3. Oh my gosh. Well, this is my third chance. I haven't been able to turn $5 into anything. But I guess I'm gonna give it another shot here. There we go. Yikers. Tough action. I don't know about this one. So 308 is the level I'm watching. Nah. Okay, credit 4. This is my last chance. Buying into the resistance again, just like I did over here. See if this one's halted. Yeah, it's halted. So I'm in a halt on this one. That's a UMAC. fills are terrible. Oh, let's get out of that. Get out of the way. I'm 10 cents away from hitting a max loss here. So starting out, 20 bucks. I had 20 bucks that I was willing to spend to see if I could grow that $20 into something. I break it up in 4 pieces, so that's $5 each. And this is my 4th attempt at growing $5, and it hasn't worked out for me so far this morning. Let's look here. So I've traded a lot. What time is resumption going to be on UMAC? Should be resuming. See, it halted at 6:49. So it should be 6:54:14. So I got a few minutes here. My trading this morning has just been quick ins and outs. That's typically the way it is for me. Did I do anything here glaring that... I mean, this thing, for one, is choppy. Lots of wicks. So it's not easy to trade a stock that's choppy like this. You kind of have to be quick to get in and get out. One mistake I know I made is buying up against a resistance here. I thought maybe it was going to keep going, but I don't know. Did not. 316 is the ultimate level to get over, but... yeah, here's another one where it looks like I bought up here at the resistance and took a loss there. This one here I bought up at a resistance at $11. That probably wasn't the best thing to do. And here's another one where I bought it as we broke through the resistance. So I've been buying breakouts, and that's what's been killing me today. I had some good trades too. Not too many on this one though. First trade was okay. This one here I've been buying the dips. So I've got entries at the low of the candles. That's good. I like to see that. All right, halt resumption. What time did we say? It's going to be at 6:54:47. So I'm 10 cents away from a max loss. So if this thing pulls back at all, it's going to trigger my max loss, take me out, and I'll be done for the day. If it resumes higher, it'll give me a little bit of cushion, and I may be able to trade more, or I may decide to just stop altogether. So I'm going to be watching this. Either way, I'm just going to exit the trade right away. So we're looking at 6:54 and 14 seconds. Okay, and I'm 14 seconds away from probably being done. Last day of trading before Thanksgiving. 4 seconds. Watching this. And I'm out right there. So I went ahead and took the profit. So I have a $1.42 cushion. I'm down 18 bucks. I got a feeling if I take another trade, I'm probably going to hit my max loss. I'm pretty close to it. If the software sees that I'm at -20, it's going to just take me out of the trade and shut my platform down. So there's really no point in me placing any more trades. I'm just going to take this loss today. It's no big deal. I'll go over here, hit the full screen here, and sadly enter in a max loss day. So I had a hard time getting anything going. -18.58. And I had a high today of $7. And I have a low I don't know why it says negative 20. That's not right. If it was negative 20, it would have triggered my system here, but I'm going to put negative 1858. So that's it right there. All right, well, after 4 nice green days in a row, red day Wednesday, I have to come back on Friday and try to see. I bet you the price action will be somewhat the same. And look at UMAC halting here. So had I had enough buying power left, I might have tried this, but who knows? Friday is a half day, so don't expect to keep trading all day long. I doubt that Friday will be full of all kinds of volume and stuff like that, because typically the day after Thanksgiving is kind of light on volume. But there could be a surprise. You never know. So guess you couldn't see that. UMAC, this is what I was talking about, just halted, going up again. So this was the stock today. It did that initial consolidation here after the open. I think I was just too trade happy today. I didn't trade UMAC very well. Well, obviously I was trading it on the backside, so that's not an easy thing. I was trying to anticipate the breakout and was getting it wrong. And luckily jumped in here, made a little bit of money. Okay, that's probably going to do it for me. I'm going to get out of here. It's a half hour into the day. Good luck, and may the turkey taste good. And we'll see you back here on Friday morning for a half a day of trading. Let me turn that back off. All right, see you later.